Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Amazon shopping voucher balance. So in order to do this, first of all, open Amazon application on your mobile phone and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the home page. So on this page, you'll have to click on this menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. That is the last option. From here, you'll have to scroll down and search for gifting section. So you'll have a list of sections available here. You'll have to simply click on the gifting option. Now you will see gift cards, gift finder, handloom, Amazon, and some more options. From these, click on gift cards option and you'll be navigated to this page. So in order to check Amazon shopping voucher balance, you'll have to scroll to the right at the top of this page and click on add a voucher. Now, when you click on add a voucher, you'll have to enter your voucher here, click on add voucher. After that, whenever you're going to apply an Amazon.com product voucher to an order or enter any voucher on your account for future purchases, that will be stored to the Amazon product voucher available balances, so you'll be able to view it anytime you want. Now, after adding that voucher, you'll have to navigate back to the menu section, click on this Amazon Pay button at the top. So choose Amazon Pay and click on Amazon Pay from this menu. Now, you'll have to simply click on the Amazon Pay balance here and the voucher balance will be added to your wallet and you'll be able to see that wallet balance just right here on this page. As you can see, the Amazon Pay balance is shown right here. So whenever you're going to redeem your voucher, it will be shown at the top right of the screen. So that's how you check Amazon shopping voucher balance. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.